Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my Lookfantastic box for the month of July. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Guys, I just want to take the time to welcome anyone new to my channel. Welcome. My name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on my channel. You name it, I do it. Makeup subscription boxes, mystery boxes, makeup hauls, shopping hauls, anything makeup related. If you love makeup just like I love makeup, then I would say consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and becoming a part of my YouTube family. And if you do, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and of course, like I said, subscribe, and thumbs ups really help the channel. Alrighty, so with telling you guys all of that, let's get into this unboxing. So I know what you guys are thinking, Aisha, where's the box? So Lookfantastic always comes a box in a box, same as like glossy box. So as per normal, I opened up the box because there's always another fancy box on the inside. And I think they do the box in a box just because their boxes are so beautiful, intricately done. They're like hard boxes, like not cheap, flimsy boxes. So I get the whole box in a box. Even though if it was up to me, just to be environmental friendly, I would just do one box. But nevertheless, I thought that was what it was gonna be, but then when I opened it up, this was inside. So, yeah, so I threw the box out already, because yesterday was garbage day. So we're gonna see I didn't look, I tried my best not to like really look and see what was in here. So, that way I'm still surprised. So, we're gonna find out what's in here together. So let's dig in. Alrighty, for starters, I want to say like this bag is actually really cute for like traveling. Like, I mean, it won't fit a lot, but I love bags where like they're good for travel and you can see everything. So I actually think I may make this like my new like makeup bag, like my bag that maybe I'll keep in my car or something, because I love that you could see like literally right through it. I love like the handy strap on this. This is what the bag looks like. It says Lookfantastic Beauty Box on it. Love it. Looks like a nice little faux leather going on here. Loving, loving, loving this. Because the boxes we throw away, with this I would actually use. So I'm excited to see what I got. Alrighty, so before we dig in, I just want to quickly tell you a little bit about the box. So Lookfantastic is a UK makeup subscription box. You get 6 beauty products up to $60. It's $19 a box, but if you pay like 6 months up front, it's $17 a box, and if you pay 12 months up front, it's $16 a box. So I think I did the 6 month up front, so I only pay $17 a box. So I think that's like an amazing deal, like $17 and you get all of this. Amazing, amazing, amazing. You don't get all full-size things because obviously I'm only paying $17, and even if somebody didn't pay up front, it's still only $19. So you really can't expect to get like all full sizes for just 19 bucks, but not too shabby for what I'm paying. Also, I like this box because I live in the United States, but sometimes the UK boxes show me things that they don't really sell a lot in the United States. It's not as common to get it here, so I get to try different things I probably normally wouldn't have grabbed or even saw. So it's a good way to try different things. Alrighty, so let's see. I'm so excited. Alrighty, so this is your sneak peek, even though you guys probably already saw everything anyway, but that's like your sneak peek. On the bottom, we have the book that tells you about everything in the box. So these are the items that I got. Alrighty, so let's see. So the first thing I see here is a Star Skin VIP 7 secondary 7-second luxury all-day mask. It's a micro skin mask pad. I've never seen this before. This looks interesting though. It looks like it's a little pad that she like put on her 2 fingers and then just like kind of wiped it. I've tried some masks from Star Skin, but I've never tried this mask. So I'm excited to try this because I do like trying masks out. So that's my first item. Let's see if it has prices in here. Let's see. I do not see prices. So the first 2 pages tells you what's in your box, and then they have like a breakdown of like each thing in your box. Like you can see, these are all the things that I got. Okay, and that's something else. But you could see it tells you about each thing, but there's no prices here. And I never like when they don't give prices. And then some know-it-all was like,
oh, well, you know, you can look up the prices online.
And it's like, obviously I already know I can look up the prices online. You can look up anything online. But I was just saying, like, when I'm filming it, I like to have like the prices here so I can just tell you guys as I'm like filming it right now. And then I said that even once too in a video, and somebody's like,
well, you can edit the video and add the prices in.
And I'm like, I tell you, people. But nevertheless, yeah, I'm not doing all of that work. If they have the prices, I'll tell you, but I'm not gonna go and look for each and every single price, and it's just really, it's not that serious. And like you said, and like the person said,
it's 2021, you can look up anything online, so if you guys really want to know the price, you can look it up online.
So with that being said, let's continue to get back into the box. Alrighty, so this is an anti-pollution leave-in spray. Grow Gorgeous Intelligence Hair Care. So what does this do though? Let me show you guys first. And then let's see what this does. It says, it doesn't really explain it on that. So let me check on here. It says a protective hair mist that shields your hair from heat damage, color fade, and external aggressors. Vegan friendly, formulated with parabens, sulfates, and silicones, especially great for greasy hair that is prone to product buildup. Very nice. Okay, so we got that. We got a little mask going. Let's see what else we got. All right, so the next thing we got is from Mine Tan Body Skin. It's a hydrating gradual glow body tan mist. So that's what it looks like. And as you guys can see, I don't think I need any tanning in my category, so I'll probably give this away. But let me tell you about it. It says a refreshing face and body spray which acts as a gradual tanner to give you a bronzy glow this summer with a lightweight formula that is instantly absorbed and zero fake tan smell. This gradual tanner is suitable for face and body and is perfect for the golden glow. Very nice. So it says all you gotta do is spray 15 centimeters away from the face and body, allow to fully dry before applying makeup or getting dressed. So you just spray it and that's it. Let me smell it. It doesn't really smell like anything. If anything, it smells like, I don't know, like hairspray, if you ask me, but very interesting, but I can't really use that. I mean, I can, but I mean, I'm not trying to get tan or anything. Hopefully when I do my next giveaway, the person can enjoy that. Alrighty, so the next thing I got is actually a Revlon lipstick. This is the first time I've seen a drugstore item in the Lookfantastic boxes, but I got a Revlon lipstick in the color cream. Oh, it's called, cream is a texture, and it's in rose wine, was like a red color. I'm trying to think, should I use this or give it away? I'll use it just because I love red lipsticks. I don't know if you guys have been watching, like my subscribers probably have been, but new people to my channel, maybe not. But lately in all my boxes, like literally every single box, I've been getting a red lipstick. Like, so I guess that's gonna be the trend this year is red lipstick, because that's all I've been getting are red lipsticks. This is the color that I just got. Actually, it looks kind of orangey now. But the outside says rose wine. Like the outside looks nothing like what. Let me put it on the back of my hand. Yeah, this definitely isn't red. That is an orange. But I like orange too. I could definitely do an orange. But it looks, why is it called like rose wine? And like this is nothing rosy at all. Alrighty. What else did I get? I got an Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter. This is what she looks like. And let's put a little bit of this on the back. Oh, it has a little sail on it. Let me put a little of this on the back of my hand to see what this highlight. It looks kind of goldy. I use a couple of Illamasqua products. It's hard to open with nails, so hold on a second. All right, so I finally got it open. Let me just put a little on the back of my hand. Oh no, I put too much. I put way too much. Oh boy. Yeah, you gotta squeeze this very gently. I got it everywhere right now. Hold on, guys. It's like everywhere, but let me... Woo! This is... Wow, this is not good for my skin tone at all. This will be giving me ash galore, not for my skin tone. Look at this, guys. Let me see what it looks like. Very, like, gentle, though. Put it on the top part. Yeah, no, I will not be wearing this at all. No, sir. But I could use it in my kit. So I could keep it for my kit, but clearly I can't use that. The next thing I got is a Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer by Elemis. Wow, Elemis is a very nice line. Glow Priming Moisturizer. Glow Priming Moisturizer. So is it like a makeup primer or is it a moisturizer? It says, want dewy, glowy skin? Who doesn't? This Elemis Priming Moisturizer is to give you a smooth, radiant complexion of your dreams. Blend with nourishing ingredients that will brighten your skin. Perfect for a use of a daily moisturizer, primer, or natural base. Oh, okay, so you could use it either or. This is what she looks like. Very interesting, very interesting. All right, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And if you want to count the bag, it would be 7 items that I got. Inside it says Lookfantastic on the inside of the bag as well. I got 2 makeup items, so I'm happy it wasn't all skincare like sometimes in the past boxes. So I got 2 makeup items. I got a hair product. I got a self-tanner, a primer, and the mask fell, but in a mask. So it wasn't that bad. I would rate this I would give it a 7 out of 10, just because I'm super excited to use this as like my travel makeup bag, because it could fit pencils, it could fit like mini brushes. So I'm excited for this. Not so much for the majority. Like the lipstick I would wear, but it's not like a color that I would normally go to. This one I can't use because it's too light for me. Yeah, and then these 3 I'm probably gonna honestly just give away. I'm not too big with like, as you guys can see, and normally I don't do much with my hair. I'm more into like my makeup. So like hair products don't really do too much for me. Skincare products I have so much of that I'm trying to use. Like makeup, I feel like if I have a lot, I can use it with certain stuff, like eyeshadow palettes, you know, blushes, powder stuff. The liquid stuff you can't really save too long because like those have a quicker lifespan, but like things like these, like moisturizers, like I have one face and you don't need that much. So it's like, how fast can I use a moisturizer? So I like more makeup heavy makeup subscription boxes. But what did you guys think? Did you guys like the box? Yeah, so that's really about it. I'm gonna be doing a drugstore haul next. You guys know I normally shoot 2 to 3 videos a day just to, you know, make up my videos for you guys. So stay tuned for my next video. Love and miss you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.